Alright, bro. Bro. Yeah, let's go, bro. Yo, let's go see what the balloons are. Let's go see what the balloons are.
Big round in this bit here. Hey, can I drive, son?
Let's go. Come on.
And then we go. We drive G-Wagon.
Alright, here they go, right here. Dang, these niggas eat.
I'm saying they think.
Yo, what's up?
Let's go.
Okay, I see you niggas got y'all bikes out and all that.
Yeah.
Y'all see y'all niggas. Bro, y'all niggas trying to hit the road with the bikes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Let's get it.
Hey, can I
Let's get
drive?
it.
Can I drive?
Hey, monster, hop on, bro.
Bro, shut your.
Yo,
That's my daddy.
Y'all niggas get acting hard.
Yo, bro, if you gonna be on the floor, let's get it.
Oh, shit. That bitch blew my
Grab a fucking cat. We killed your mans, rolled his ass up in a jet. We ain't playing with these niggas, hit they blockade dead. Yeah, we got these niggas trapped, we pop out 5 different ways. And I ain't talking about no catch up when I say we left a stand. And when all the guys died, man, my niggas put in pain. He was walking through that storm, man, I know he felt some rain. And he was stepping on them puddles and them bitches full of pain. And I ain't even gonna say too much, we all go insane. Pulled up to the fucking north, you know.
Bro, I fucking eat.
Facts.
He up there.
Bro, facts.
Facts.
Oh, they got a cop.
Oh.
Hey,
so I can see you.
Chill,
bro.
Chill, we ain't doing
That's right. Alright.
We ain't doing nothing. No, we just black people out here chilling. Yo, go!
He did some ass.
I can't get on my bike.
Back up.
We at the store, you happy niggas? They ain't fat niggas. Man, hurry up and get what y'all want, nigga. We got business. Psych, I lied. It's a stick up, nigga. Put your hands up, gang. Get that nigga, gang.
Squeeze. Get up in my fucking truck and drive him to the beat. We left his ass stressed, yeah, I'm talking about the seas. Now I'ma let my little bro Mac J get on the beat.
Told my brothers never worry, only shoot when necessary. I'm making shit hard and it's only February. Nigga talking on my name, leaving bloody, no Mary. I'm a demon to the game, when I pop up shit get scary. My little shorty, she a baddie, but she fucking up my mood. All them niggas see we winning, they been watching how we move. I'm a big stepper, always dripping when I'm on the move. They been trying to take me on, I know they wanna see me lose.
Alright, yep, we don't need to speak to you though.
Okay.
Yeah,
Don't
so
shoot.
I heard you
Please
ended up putting my little brother into detention and his grades ain't looking right. Yo, back up.
My nigga, you.
I'ma stay at the door, y'all. I'ma stay at the door.
Niggas, don't you? My brother's grades better be good for now. Get
Hey, bro, don't fight with me, bro.
Get the pool.
They flipped the plane over.
This nigga put ass in my brother's